How to use Veed to create YouTube intros and outros. First of all, open your browser and go to veed.io and sign in to your account. From the dashboard, click on the Create button and select New Project from the drop-down. You can also browse Veed's intro and outro templates for YouTube to get a head start. Upload your media including clips, images or logos you want to include in your intro or outro. Use Veed's editor to add text, animations, transitions and background music. You can customize font, colors and effects to match your channel's branding. Veed also allows you to resize, trim and position elements easily to create a smooth and professional looking sequence. For intros, make sure your opening is dynamic but concise, introducing your channel or content theme. For outros, you can add call to action elements like subscribe buttons, video suggestions or social media handles. Once your intro and outro are ready, preview the video, make final adjustments and export in high quality format suitable for YouTube. Now you know how to use Veed to create YouTube intros and outros. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.